A very warm and healthy good morning to all of you. I am Nikhil Kurana. I am teaching you chemistry and bio. As all of you know that due to corona we are doing our online classes and we have done a lot of syllabus during that time. I am going to introduce myself. My name is Nikhil Kurana. I have done my masterate in chemistry from the Punjab University Chandigarh, having 7 years of teaching experience in different CBSE schools. I am also having teaching various competitive exams, that is about the JEE Mains, Advanced, NEET and NTSE. For your special NTSE batches are there. One important information for all of you, that during this coronavirus schools are closed but some teachers are coming. I am available daily from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. If any student is having doubt or want to meet to solve any kind of problem related to your subject, then you can come by your own, sanitize yourself, wear mask and you can take doubts. So if any student wants to come, he or she can come in between the timing 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. You can also in the group we are also providing the list of other teachers which are coming during this time. Related to our syllabus, we have done about the 4 chapters. 4 chapters we have done. 1 chapter from the chemistry, that is the matter in our surroundings, in which we have discussed about the what is matter, how matter can be classified. Matter is divided into 3 main states: solid state, liquid state and gaseous state. Then we done about the interconversion of their states, how solid is converted into liquid, that is about the melting and melting point. Reverse is freezing and freezing point. Also about the boiling and condensation points. At last we have done about the evaporation, diffusion and latent heat. After then we have come to the 5th chapter, that is the fundamental unit of life, that is the basic unit of life is cell, in which we have discussed about the cell. The important topics are the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, difference between plant cell and animal cell, the structure of plant cell and animal cell, that is cytoplasm, nucleoplasm, nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum and chloroplast. After that we have discussed about the chapter 8, that is motion, in which we have discussed about the motion, rest, then about the uniform motion, non-uniform motion, speed, velocity, acceleration and about the 3 equations of motion. These are the very important, the 3 equations of motion we have discussed. Last is the improvement in food resources, in which we have discussed how food is obtained, how we can grow our food. That is, now in the last topics we have discussed about the fish farming, bee farming and milk animals. Okay, so these are all about our chapters. We have done about the Aschand questions, all type of numericals. The important term is complete your notebook. If any student is having doubt or a notebook is incomplete, you can contact school, you can come to school and take your doubt. Thanks and have a nice day.